Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how I created these two centerpieces that I used for my baby shower using items that I purchased at Dollar Tree and Amazon only. Stay tuned. Okay, so here are some of the items that I'm going to use. I totally forgot to record when I did the centerpieces with the balloons, but it's literally the same effect, just using the balloon stick. I use these foams to do the crafting, to have the flowers stick to them. 3 sets of flowers. One was white, dark purple, and a lighter purple, since my theme was purple, white, and gold. And then I went ahead and also purchased gold butterflies. So the flowers and the butterfly were all from Amazon. The craft foam and the balloon sticks were purchased at Dollar Tree along with the balloons. And then I went and purchased the E600 glue, was also from Amazon. That was a previous purchase. I later had to double back and use my hot glue stick because some of the flowers started to fall off the foam. I guess the E600 glue was not working well with the foam, so the hot glue gun actually did the job very well. Okay, so this portion is a little self-explanatory, so I sped up the video just a little bit. I used the glue to glue down the white flowers only to the foam, and then I used the purple and the light purple flowers. I just poked holes into the foam because they had like a little baby stem attached to the flowers, you can see right there. But that ended up failing as I went back and finished everything and noticed that someone was falling through the holes. I had to end up using the glue and glue inside the holes and doing all of the purple flowers. Alright, now here you can see that it's time to glue down the gold butterflies to the flower arrangements. So what I did was fold the butterfly in half, apply the glue to the middle of the butterfly, which is the butterfly's body, and then I just applied it to a random flower, no one flower in particular. I only used 2 butterflies per arrangement. Since I totally forgot to record when I did the arrangements for the centerpieces with the balloons, I'm just gonna describe to you what I did. So I took the stick of the balloon and I poked it into one of the foam pieces that I had. As I did that, I used the glue to seal it to make sure it stayed still so that it would not move. So then I went ahead and took another foam piece and I poked it all the way through to the middle of the balloon stand. Then I also did the same thing. I applied the glue and I waited a few minutes to an hour to start putting on the flowers and the butterflies. So again, here is the end result. As you can see, I paired it up with a vase and a circular mirror that I both purchased from Dollar Tree as well. I glued the foam onto the vase and then the vase into the mirror. And there you go. A beautiful centerpiece for your baby shower and or birthday event. Thank you for watching. Bye.